How many pillars of Islam are there? Correct answer 5. Which is the holiest city in Islam? Correct answer Mecca. How many surahs are in the Quran? Correct answer 114. Which prophet was swallowed by a whale? Correct answer Yunus, AS. What does halal mean? Correct answer permitted. Which angel brought revelation to the prophets? Correct answer Jibreel. On which day is Eid al-Adha celebrated? Correct answer 10th Dhul-Hijjah. What is the first pillar of Islam? Correct answer Shahada. How many daily fard prayers are there? Correct answer 5. Which surah is called the heart of the Quran? Correct answer Yasin. What does haram mean? Correct answer forbidden. Which angel is the guardian of hellfire? Correct answer Malik. What is the direction of prayer called? Correct answer Qibla. Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? Correct answer Ibrahim, AS. What does Ar-Rahman mean? Correct answer the merciful. Is drinking alcohol halal or haram? Correct answer haram. Which angel will blow the trumpet on Judgment Day? Correct answer Israfil. What is the night prayer called? Correct answer Tahajjud. Which animal is not allowed for Qurbani? Correct answer horse. What is the call to prayer called? Correct answer Adhan. Which surah has no Bismillah at the beginning? Correct answer At-Tawbah. Do angels have free will to disobey Allah? Correct answer no. What is the reward for an accepted Hajj? Correct answer paradise. Which prayer is performed just after sunset? Correct answer Maghrib. What does Assalamu alaikum mean? Correct answer peace be upon you.